Well, hey folks, we're back with an elegant 12-seater table for you. We've got time to do one more for fall before our Thanksgiving table. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now folks, this is going to be a doozy. Okay, so we're going to take these rusty changing ferns and we're going to make a feathery bed. And I split the first two around the handle and the next two are going behind. More behind in the basket. Now we've got this incredible rusty colored tablecloth in the damask style. So now we have fiddler fern in the front and we're going to bend that like it's just about landing. The whole centerpiece is landing on the table. Not quite touching. The second one is behind the handle and up a little more. Okay, we'll do that on both sides. Now this will be, like I usually like to do, very formal piece because the table's formal. So we want a formal balance arrangement. And we got these incredible giant dahlias in the roasty toasty cream color. We're going to leave them on the outside of the handle and establish our center line here. Next for that line is some lilies, and we're going to go behind the handle, but they're going to be the longest thing on this basket. To establish that length of the piece. The brightest thing that's going to be in this basket are these beautiful double peonies. Actually, I think they're cabbage rose. Some of them are hard to tell apart, but they are pretty. So we're going to do a balancing act of them. We're going to establish the height of our piece. We have 3 of those. See, I like to get the height. We're going to take all our toasty cream color peonies. Those are peonies. Those are roses. Cabbage rose, like I thought. And we're going to fill in this basket like you see I usually like to do. Now use an odd number here in the front and the back. We want to go around. The back really in this piece is not a back because people are sitting all the way around the table. So that's the difference here. Mostly fill that in, and I like to bring this height up a bit. And we got some beautiful, here we are, barley oat branches again. And we only have 2 of those, so we want 2. We want 1 on each side. And this is the basic bed or background of the piece. Now we're going to go in front with these wonderful toasty flowers here. These are giant dahlias. Now we got roses coming in. These are mustardy, rusty tones coming in. That's really going to help push this arrangement over for what we're trying to do. Oh my goodness, look at the color of those. This is really going to send it home now. This color for this arrangement, folks. And that's going to be out there long and tall. More cabbage rose. We're going to let them come over a little bit in the middle. We want them standing up, completely lifelike. Still working with the wonderful toasty rose color. We want to get some of this. You see how this just isn't exciting yet? But now we're going to make it exciting. And we're going to see how we do that. Lavender. Spiky lavender in the back. You see, it just wasn't done. Big baskets take a lot. There's no doubt about it. If you don't have a lot, you do a smaller basket. You know, it takes time, years, to get a collection of things like what we use. So there's no put down. That's just how it is. People spend their money on different things too. Okay, starting to make sense. I'm gonna have that go back a little before it's touched down. And I want this Scottish Highland Thistle element in here. In the back, some Martian balls, Euryopes, whatever those are, and another thistle. We got these wonderful acorns and pine cones. You knew the front wasn't done. We need a little skirt of those. See what that does. Now we still have some formal roses to add in the top. They're in a burnt orange, wonderful tone. It'll go with our arrangement. Just to finish it off. When you thought we were done. Almost. Alrighty, folks, thanks for hanging in there. I think we've got it. Now folks, the inspiration for this table, of course, is fall. The dinnerware we're using tonight is by Gibson. Wide blue rim, like hotel wear, with a wide rim and a pewter charger. Now also today we're going to use 100% cotton cloth napkin and a crystal napkin ring. And we're going to use a dinner knife on the right, faces the plate. Then our dinner spoon. Dinner fork on the left. This beautiful silverware set, we'll put a link at the bottom of the video and you can find it on Amazon. Next, we'll need a nice Riesling. Champagne flute, top of the plate. Now we'll need a wine goblet, top of the plate again. When we don't have room, we put it where we can. We just got some little highlighters like you saw me do before. Some just want a hot cocoa. Now folks, hopefully you had a little fun. And we're gonna be back with another beautiful, elegant table. If you liked our table, give us a like and a share and a thumbs up. Thanks for coming by, everybody. Take it easy, and we'll see you in the next video.